Hello everyone, welcome to a coin video. If this is our first time meeting, my name is Jonathan the Coin Collector, and my YouTube channel is all about helping beginner, intermediate, and expert coin collectors with coin entertainment and tip videos to be able to help you keep on collecting. If you are a coin collector, beginner, intermediate, or expert, definitely go ahead and consider subscribing. So I've done a few of these types of videos before where people send me things and I open them up in front of the whole entire coin community, and that's exactly what is going to be happening right now. So you guys may remember Phil. He sent me the first package. I'll link to that video in the description below, but he sent me 2 more packages. So I think there's only one in there, but there are a few that I can feel in here. But I messaged him asking if there was a specific order that I needed to open these up, and he just said that this one he thinks I will enjoy a lot. So I'm going to save this for the end just because it's also in a separate container. And let's go ahead and just open this first one up. Wow. Phil really knows how to package coins. Okay. Oh, this looks relatively familiar. Phil did include yet another note here, and I will go ahead and read it off. Hi, Jonathan. Well, for the most part, I have upgraded my set. I do hope these coins will find a good home with you. I added some for one of your other sets, so I'm guessing that's the one that's in the separate package. Thank you for your videos. Please take care and stay safe, Phil. Thank you so much, Phil. I really appreciate the coins and also the notes. They're just kind of nice whenever people take time to write out something. Also, really great handwriting. I didn't say that in the first one, but this is like fantastic. I wish I had this good of handwriting. Sadly, I don't, but maybe that's just something I need to work on. Okay, now I have to grab the coins that I put behind my back because I didn't look at them yet. So, okay, first one. Oh my. What? Oh my gosh, Phil. Dude. That's a Morgan dollar. Oh my gosh. Oh man. I don't have one of these. I mean, I do now, but has some, looks like burnt marks on it. That's kind of cool, because I think that's what they are. Oh my gosh, 1921. Morgan dollar. This thing does weigh a decent amount. Whoa, no. Wow. Yeah, I'm adding this to my typeset. I don't have this one yet. I don't have any of these. Oh, wow. And 4 Indian heads. That is fantastic. Let's go and just take all these out. See what we got here. I am really glad, though, that, Phil, you have upgraded your typeset, because that is something we as collectors should definitely do, is keep upgrading our collection to make it more pristine and better. And I really appreciate that you pass them down to other collectors. Okay, there we go. So we have a 1905, 1887, 1893, and an 1892. Very, very old. 100 plus years on all of these guys, actually. Phil, thank you so much for the Indian head cents. Next, boom. A Franklin. I don't have a Franklin. Okay, I just looked outside, and it was like sunny earlier, and now it's like pitch black because it's about to rain. I always record these pretty much when it's going to rain. Goodness. Okay, do you guys see how shiny that is? Oh my gosh. 1963. I love this. Oh, I love it. This is 90% silver. Why do I keep saying 18? 1963 Franklin. Phil, you are fantastic. And somehow the coins keep getting better and better. Last time that you sent me something, they were fantastic, and this time they're still fantastic. I don't know how that's possible, but with Phil, it is. Next. Are you serious? Are you serious? Are you serious? What? Oh my gosh, guys, it's a Liberty seated half dollar, 1859 S. And I'm guessing that's where they had to add more because I don't know what else that would be in the exact same spot. That's definitely where they had to add more silver. So it's where they just add more on it and then kind of gently stamp this part again. Oh my gosh, I love this design. United States of America, $50. Oh, I love that they do that. They don't actually say the whole thing. 1859. Phil, they keep getting better. Like I just said, they keep getting better. Boom. Oh. More wheat cents. No, not more wheat cents. 1 wheat cent. And more Indian heads. Let me take these out really quick. Okay, so we have here... Why does it always take so long to focus? I don't get it. It's supposed to be autofocus, but... Okay, so the Lincoln cent is a 1914 S, then that is a 1902 Indian head penny, then there's an 1880 down bottom right, and then bottom left is a 1895. Phil, thank you. You sent me 4 more of these things? Dude. No, not 4. 3, and then a really old wheat cent, which that's the 5th year they actually made wheat cents, so that's really, really old. Okay, so now, if I can grab it. Where's the other? Okay. This is what's in the other side of that one. 4 more? Whoa. 4 more. Okay, so we have bottom left is 1899. We have a 1904 right there. Top right is a 1897 and then a 1888. I'm going to be able to finish my Indian head cent collection by the end of this, so, or at least get pretty close. Phil, thank you so much for the Indian cents and the wheat cent, and for all of these, actually. These are beautiful, beautiful coins that I can't wait to add to my collection. Next in the package. Boom. What is that? Oh. What? 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 Oh my gosh. What? Okay, guys, this is probably the smallest US coin ever, and this is a half dime from 1843. That is beautiful. This is in really good condition. I'm shocked. And it's so small. So this is the dime that was in there. Look at the difference on that. Look at that. That's ridiculously small. 1835 capped bust design. My gosh. These are beautiful, Phil. Dude, thank you so much. Then we have another Indian head. 1900. 120-year-old coin, guys. Phil, thank you so much, man. I can't wait to see all of the Indian head cents that I have now. Boom. 1974. Is that an S? That is an S. 1974. Okay, I don't want to see what the other one is on the other side of this. Oh, that's beautiful. This is probably the best condition one that I have. Beautiful. Beautiful Eisenhower. Oh, look at that. Wait, is this silver? Guys, I believe this is definitely silver. I'm holding it. It's heavy. This is definitely silver. If you look at the side, you don't see the clad. This is silver. Phil, you sent me a 1974 S silver? Dude, thank you. That's definitely silver. It's weighty. 1974 S. Wow. That's amazing. Thank you so much, man. Oh, this is fantastic. Okay, so the other coin in that is this. A 3-cent Trime. Ah. Oh, come on. I already have a nickel, and this is actually barely smaller, I think. Look at that. If I put that on the edge, it's smaller than the half dime. Guys, this is the smallest US coin probably ever, I would say. I thought the other one was, but this is definitely the smallest one that I own. 3 cents. 1858, I think. The date's kind of rubbed off on the bottom, but I think this is 1858. 1858 Trime. Oh my gosh, I'm putting this back. I don't want to mess this up. I don't want to drop it. Okay, now the last one, okay, is in this. No clue what's in there. I've had no clue about all of these, by the way, so I am clueless. Let me grab my knife. Let's cut open the top here. I have to be extra careful because I don't want to accidentally damage the coin. Let's do that right here. Like a letter opener, you know? Oh, I'm glad I didn't cut because that's something. Okay, I don't know what it is. I'm going to... Oh, is it taped to it? It is. Okay, there's another note. Okay, it says, I missed putting this one in the small group of coins. Thought you would enjoy this one as well. Please take care and stay safe. So that's the letter. You guys ready for this? Oh, man. Guys, 1 cent. Another large cent. Phil has actually sent me one, but he sent me the classic head. This one is the draped bust, 1803. 1803. This is the oldest. This is 217 years old. That feels very strange to say, and probably weird to hear as well. Oh my gosh. Phil, this was definitely the coup de grace. Oh man, I'm glad I didn't open this one first, because that would have been like okay, this is the greatest one, and then it's like, the other ones, in comparison, they're still amazing. But man, what a finale. What a finale. 1803? 1 cent? Oh my gosh. Oh man. Yeah, this thing definitely dwarfs the 3 cent piece. That thing is so tiny. Wow. I'm in shock. Oh man, wow. Okay, let's go ahead and put them all out here. Not all of them are going to be in the exact same folder that they came in, but we'll just do our best. Oh, no. Okay, look at the Trime compared to the Eisenhower. That's so small. Okay, well, okay. It's not out of it, so that's fine. There's that. Okay. And then we have all of the other Indian heads. I'll just set them on here. Wow. Okay. Phil, you've outdone yourself yet again. You sent me how many Indian head cents did you send? 1, 2, 3, 4, 12 Indian head cents, a wheat cent, a Trime, a half dime, a really old dime, a large cent, two actual silver dollars, but a Morgan silver dollar, and then an Eisenhower silver dollar, like actual silver, and then a Seated Liberty half dollar, a Franklin half dollar. Wow. That is a lot. Oh man, I can't wait to add all these to my typeset. Oh, I'm looking forward to that. I can't wait to see it done. And this really helps because I'm going to be adding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 new coins. 7. And I could go ahead and add this and just say that it's a design type. I could do that if I wanted to. I could. And then I'll also be making a update to my Indian head cents eventually. I don't know when, but eventually I will be doing that. Thank you so much, Phil. I really appreciate you sending me all of these wonderful coins and supporting my coin YouTube channel and being a part of the coin community. So thank you so much, Phil, for sending me all of this. If you guys did like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to see me unbox more mail from the coin community, I will link to a playlist in the description below. And if you also would like to see where I update my typeset, I'll also link to that playlist. Definitely go check that out if you are interested in coin collecting. And also consider subscribing. And if you do subscribe, go ahead and hit the bell to be notified whenever I post more videos like this one. And the next video that I'm going to be posting is on Monday, if you are watching this on Friday, is how to start a Canadian coin collection with the pennies that they have, a Canadian penny collection while being in the US. So definitely hit the bell to be notified whenever I post that video. Thank Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. And as always, keep on collecting.